Everybody wants a good coffee. One reason is that coffee is potentially the biggest source of antioxidant power the world over. The other reason is, well, because good coffee is addictive, in a good way. Antioxidants in a flash. The connecting line among these conditions is that they are all traceable back to high toxin levels in the body. Antioxidants are cleaners and oxidize free radicals in the body to form harmless substances that can then be flushed out of the bloodstream and body naturally. Antioxidants in coffee. Coffee contained more antioxidant properties than previously thought. Unfortunately, at the time, those antioxidant properties they found only showed up at a particular point in the coffee roasting process. That means that at a precise point in roasting, the antioxidants' benefits in coffee could be captured or squashed. Here are conclusive, and in some cases, ongoing research and findings on things coffee as an antioxidant. Number 1. Cafestol. Cafestol in coffee beans is still available even after decaffeination. Cafestol acts as a bile acid modulator in the intestine. It is also a potent anti-inflammatory substance in the brain, and, decaffeinated, coffee may help improve memory, according to the Science Daily. Number 2. Trigonelline. This compound is antibacterial and may help prevent dental caries. Trigonelline, coffee's bitter alkaloid, also adds to the unique aroma of coffee. The compound is 10 times higher in roast coffee than green coffee and is also significantly higher content for Arabica than Robusta coffee. Number 3. Chlorogenic Acid. Chlorogenic acid, CGA, is abundant in both green and roasted coffee. According to the Journal of Nutrition, CGA stands in for a large number of esterified compounds. It is the ester of caffeic acid. Number 4. Melanoidins. Did you know that melanoidin is the reason behind that unique aroma when roasting coffee? More importantly, coffee melanoidin is the brown-colored, nitrogenous compounds in coffee. The high molecular weight compounds are formed during the roasting process and carry antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5. Quinine. The bitter compound is one of the primary agents in coffee that give the latter some of its antioxidant properties. Quinine is derived from the bark of a tropical evergreen plant known as cinchona tree, mainly used in malaria treatment. The bitterness in some coffee beans can be connected to elevated quinine content. Quinine and coffee belong to the same Rubiaceae family. But more importantly, quinine as an antioxidant becomes more potent after coffee is roasted significantly. Coffee beverages contain tiny amounts of quinine substance, though. Quinine is, in fact, harmful in larger quantities, and some people have allergic reactions to it. New research indicates that coffee antioxidants do make coffee a healthier antioxidant solution compared to other well-known antioxidant compounds. Coffee's primary source of antioxidant power reigns from its polyphenols. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe to watch even more videos like